YouTube. Do B-side by Khruangbin and Leon Bridges. They did a collab album. It's not a new album. It's been out a while, but this is the new single. All right, there's two parts to it, though. That's the important thing. The first part, it goes for about the first minute of the song, and then it changes rhythm. It's very subtle, so if you're not trying to play it, you probably wouldn't even notice. That's the riff for the first part of the song. Starts on 8. So it stays like 2 beats on the 8th fret, and then 1 beat on each the 7 and 5. Just playing the top 3 strings. I'm not really even going to show any graphics because we're just playing. These are minor chords, I guess. They could be a lot of different chords, but we'll just say it's C minor, B minor, A minor. So, and then the second part, the second riff is. Just sliding into a G, and I'm just playing strings B, G and B. So we're starting at maybe the 11 or the 10, and then for the second part of it, we play the 13th at on the high E string. That stays the same. That's always what it goes to. But the first riff is different for the first minute. And then after the first minute, they go to the second riff. So it just slices up the rhythm a little different. So we're starting on the 5 here. So you give that it gets like 2 triplets. And it has like a alternating rhythm. First time through, we end on this is strings G, B, and D, and it's a D chord. Just playing it here. It's like playing an A shape, except we're playing it at the 7. Second one, we just end on the 5th fret at the top 3 string. Okay, so those alternate. Then we go. If you have trouble getting, up there to slide into that, just mute it. Just play the part with the E on the 13, and just mute the rest. He does that sometimes. When there's sometimes he's playing like little lead fills. What he does on those is he just plays one triplet. So he's just playing a one triplet, and that gives him time to shift his fingers. But really, the whole the melody and the guitar fills are in the A minor scale. You can add some other notes into that, but that's the basic. And then there is one time where he goes. Instead of going to the G, he's playing on the A and D string, and then coming to the E string on the 7th. But he's got like a wah. I think there's 2 guitars overdubbed, because one doesn't have the wah, and one does have one has the effect and one doesn't. That's the riff for the second part of the song. The riff for the first part is. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.